How to cancel Epic Games subscriptions. To cancel your Epic Games subscriptions, first of all, you can use any web browser of your choice, and you can also be on PC, Android, or any sort of devices. So first things first, go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice, then head to the official Epic Games website. From here, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this and log into your account. Then locate the active subscription card within the subscriptions page. By tapping on these three horizontal lines on the top right, you should be able to find the subscriptions option over here once you log into your account. Once you tap on it, you simply have to now locate the active subscription card that you want to terminate. Then click the settings icon or the manage button located in the top right corner of that subscription box and select the cancel subscription from the menu choices. Now you simply have to follow the on-screen prompt and click confirm to turn off the auto renewal. And this is how you can cancel subscriptions of Epic Games. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.